Hi Librans, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading, you versus them. Alright, so we will see what are the universe messages for you and your partner today. Alright, let's see. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Librans and their partner right now. What is going on in the love relationship? Let's see what is the love reading for my Librans and their partner, please. All right. One more. Okay, let's see what is there for my Librans, please. So at the back of the deck, it's the Wheel and the Four of Swords. So this is the overall energy between you and your partner. So it's like that, when you are lying down and you are basically thinking about your relationship, like how far is it going, like what is that between you and them. Okay, so that kind of a feeling right now with the Four of Swords I'm getting over here. And I'm also getting that there is a change which you are not resisting, a change in which where somebody over here, either you or them, somebody is not resisting this change, somebody is in fact analyzing, thinking really deep about this change between you and your person. So this is the relationship where you are actually you know you are thinking really deep about this relationship, like whatever the things are happening, you are taking that in a very different perspective. That is what I'm getting. Let's see now what else do we have. Okay. Okay, so your feelings for your person, the Devil. So these are your feelings, and this is something, how to say, it's like very much attracting. With the Devil, it's more about, might be a Capricorn with whom you are dealing, does not has to be, but it's like very attractive energy. You might be even addicted to this person. This person gives you goosebumps when this person comes to meet you or calls you, messages you. So this is someone you are actually you always think about this person a lot, and it's been, I also feel that it's a very long term relationship and you're really connected to this person, whomsoever you are feeling with. How does they feel about you? So this is Ace of Wands. So this is a very passionate, very fiery feeling. But in Ace of Wands, everything is really new, everything is good, and everything is like enthusiastic. But the only thing is, it's like, when you have to put your thoughts into action. So this is how they feel. They really feel good about you. They really want to spend some time with you. They also want to spend spend like time talking to you as well. But it's like they just think about it. Okay, they are just thinking. They are not even, I don't feel like, it's like they're just thinking. Their eyes are closed right now. They're just feeling about you. They're just thinking about you, but they are not putting that into action right now. Okay, Six of Wands is the blockage over here is success, victory. So between you both, the blockage is somebody is over here is really career oriented right now, and all their focus is in the work, in whichever either you or them, it can be anyone over here, but somebody over here is really focusing on how people are looking them. Okay, so they are more interested to win several hearts rather than one heart. So that is something which is actually blocking this connection right now, basically being in the limelight. So that is something which is blocking this connection. Somebody wants to be very successful right now. All right, so let's clarify the devil over here. Like, how are your feelings towards your person? Why the devil is here? Why the devil is here, please? The Hierophant and the Ace of Wands. So Ace of Wands is in your side as well. So it's like might be a Taurus as well with whom you are dealing. It's a very beautiful, see, your actions are speaking something else. So your actions, they actually, they tell that you want to marry this person. You have strong beliefs, you have strong feelings for this person. Whether you are attracted, you are addicted, might be as well. But this attraction is not the bad attraction. This attraction leads to something more stable. That is what you want. You want a new life. You want to spend your whole life, whichever is left now, with this person, because you cannot just let go of this person and you just want them. See how you are extending your hand towards this person, like, please come and give me your hand, and let's just live a life the way we want, or the way you want. Okay, so let's see, why is the Ace of Wands over here in their feelings towards Librans? Six of Pentacles. All right, what else do we have? The Fool and Queen of Cups. So they really have emotions, okay, for you, Librans. Don't feel bad, don't feel that they are not even showing their emotions. But it's like, with the Queen of Cups, it's like that they really feel about you, they really have emotions for you, but it's really hard to put those emotions, put those feelings into action. Because for Queen of Cups, she is emotional, but it's really, she takes some time to show her feelings, okay, like whatever she is feeling, because she is the Cancer. Okay, so Queen of Cups is the Cancer, and Cancer just loves to go inside their shell. Okay, the crab just wants to go inside the shell. So that is what they are right now. They are in their shell. They do not want, they have feelings, they are thinking about you, but it's not like they really want to just commit. Yes, they want it, but they don't want it right now. So they are taking their time, they want a balance in their life. So they are working with their pentacles. So the Six of Pentacles with the Six of Wands over here in the blockage. So this might not be you, this might be them over here, who is actually taking some time, because for maintaining some balance, harmony, so and to become victorious, successful in life, successful with pentacles, with your coins, with your money. So this is why they are taking some time. And the Fool over here as well. So see, this Fool is for new beginnings. Okay, so they are ready to take some leap of faith with you, but still their emotions are telling them that just wait for some time. It's better late than never. So this is something that is what the cards are telling over here. Let's see why the Six of Wands is here with the blockage over here. Let's see why the Six of Wands is here, please. King of Cups. Okay, so Queen of Cups with the King of Cups. So this is really strong. Very emotional connection this is. King of Cups, Queen of Cups, and the Hierophant, the Marriage card. Your cards are really good, Librans. This is really strong. This bond is really strong. This is not going to leave you very soon. Okay, so the blockage over here might be a father as well. Okay, with whomsoever, might be yours or them or theirs. So something like that. I don't know why, but there is that elderly feeling, elderly person over here, which is coming in between you both. And just for some of you, because for majority of you, it's more about the career focusing right now. What else do we have? King of Pentacles. So yeah, money is a big thing right now for them. They want money, they want stability in life, they want their career to just to reach higher levels. Knight of Wands as well. So this feeling, that energy with Knight of Wands, like you really want. So the Knight of Wands also says that this Knight of Wands is really fast. Whatever he does it really fast, and when he does it, and if that thing doesn't work, so that's really about the Knight of Wands. He takes actions really quickly. So right now what is needed is not to take any action quickly. You might need some time, you might take some time, but do not take any action quickly, because that might lead you to not being together with each other. All right, so let's see why the Hierophant is here. So this is the card for your actions. Okay, so you want marriage. So the Hierophant has been here in both the cases. So you want a marriage to happen, you want a happy family. Yeah, see, happy family I said, and there is a child over here. So you want this relationship to work, and you are like you have already said to them, you have already told them about your feelings, but it's like that you haven't got any answer yet. What are their actions? The Magician over here. So they are more into themselves right now, I'm telling you. This is their card with the Page of Cups. So they are really new into something. Okay, so if this is you, if this is them, so their action is like they are like, okay, a friendship cup, that kind of a cup they can accept right now. They can accept a friendship, but they are not ready for a long-term relationship right now. Okay, so that is why they are really taking some time. They are into themselves, and they're working more on their work and more on their money right now. The final outcome with the Seven of Swords, this is not looking good, but because it always says about deception and betrayals. But let's see what else do we have with this. So many cards are here. I won't check. What is the Seven of Swords, please cards? What is the Seven of Swords over here? Sorry. Okay, so this thing is with the Six of Wands. So this is the same thing with the Six of Wands over here. This is more about the career oriented person. Till the time this person will not achieve the place where he or she wants to go, okay, so they will just say no, and they will always try to escape. They will escape the relationship, they will escape the bonding between you both, they will escape the conversation of love between both of you. So they will always try to escape from this thing till the time they will not achieve what they actually want, and they're really career oriented. So I think that is not a problem in this case, because the feelings are good, the feelings are mutual in both the cases, but it's just their focus right now is somewhere else more. They have different prioritized, they have prioritized something else right now. It's not you, it is you in their head, but not right now, not all the time. So it's about their career right now a lot. All right, so that's all, Liberals. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.